What's the meaning of clanking? Clanking. Clanking.
Clanking. Clanking. Clanking is a verb that refers to the sound of metal objects hitting each other, like chains or swords. The resulting sound is typically loud, metallic, and often repetitive. It can be heard in various scenarios, such as the clanking of pots and pans in a busy kitchen or the clanking of machinery in a factory. In some cases, it may also carry a negative connotation, implying that something is faulty or in need of repair if it is producing an unusual or excessive amount of clanking noise.